Now then, I'm sitting here. I'm standing here beside Michelle. I'm just after making the video that I'm not sure if you've seen it yet for to wish you all well for 2026. And I'm looking at the XJR and I'm thinking to myself, Jesus Christ, I'm taking on a fucking. Am I sort of taking on too much? Well, I'm not really because I've done it before. But just like a fucking, I'm a glutton for punishment. You know that I literally am. However, I in the last couple of videos I have posted of the XJR. I'm whipping the carbs off it and doing a couple of other bits and bobbies. I was sitting here last night in my chair with my diesel heater on, having a beer, just sort of doing my usual sort of pondering. And I'm looking at the frame on the bike, and it's looking fairly ropey, to be honest. I can't, in all honesty, put this bike back together with the frame this way. 1 second, I'll swap. We have a significant amount, like when I cleaned all the crap that was on the frame off the frame, this was all underneath it. It's fairly, like, the metalwork is still 100% solid. It's just all the paint is flaking off and the surface rust starting to appear in there. Not only that, but if you look down there, you can see all the paint's coming off the engine as well. It's all sort of shitty, and even down low here, it's just manky. So that leaves me with a thing. What am I going to do about it? Well, to be honest, there's only one thing I can do about it. I'm not prepared. I've had this bike now 5 years. I think 5 years, possibly 6. More than likely 7. As we know, fucking the early fucking 20s kind of threw all of us off. But anyway, the bike has not once let me down. I've sort of praised this bike on this page many times. Of all the bikes I've ever had in my life, and it's safe to say I've had hundreds of bikes in my lifetime. This is probably the finest bike I've ever owned, which is why I have no intention of getting rid of it. But anyway, and it deserves more than what it's got. It's been highly modified. It's got the what do you call it? Single-sided swinging arm. Sorry, I'm getting fucking brain fart at the moment now, and I can't remember the VFR 750 single-sided swinging arm. Honda Civic rear wheel on straight in front of you. The job that was done on it was superb. The handling is superb. It has not affected the handling in any way, shape, or form. People saying, "Oh, it's got a car tire in the back. It's going to do it," or a car wheel. It's going to do this. It's not. It's whoever, I don't know the guy who built this. It wasn't me. But the guy who built it knew what he was doing and made a bloody good job of it. So it's got a VFR 750 rear end on it. It's got the uprated XJR 1300 front end on it with the Brembos and the adjustable suspension. No, there isn't a huge pile of adjustment on it, but there is a bit. It does me for my shoulders. It keeps it nice and soft for me. Not only that, but it's got an acrophobic exhaust system on it. It's got the Stage 3 Dynojet kit in it. So it's got some nice goodies. So the crack, I'm going to strip it out. I'm starting it today. Since I've gone on small bit, I might as well go the rest of the way now and do it properly. And I can sort of refurbish and restore everything as I go. And yes, I am well aware and will be reminded of the fact that Genstrike is beside me and the Harley is behind it. Harley needs wiring. Needs to finish the wiring. The wiring wrecked my head, and the reason the wiring hasn't been done on the Harley is because it absolutely fucking wrecked my head for ages. And I just literally threw a cover over it and said, right, I'm not looking at this for a while. And so I'm in the process now. The head's in a much better place now where I can get back to it. Genstrike, the reason I haven't touched that for the moment is I'm still waiting on a couple of parts to come in from America, but getting anything in from America in some places is a bit of a shit show at the moment. And the timing set up for the engine is coming in from America, and the guy who I'm getting it off of is sort of not the most cooperative person in the world, let's put it that way. But we'll get there, we'll get it. And as soon as that comes in, then, because I want to make sure I've all the bits. There's no point in starting a custom build unless you've all the bits to get the job done. So there's still a few bits missing off of Jen's bike, and I'm in the process. They're almost there, but with Christmas and everything else, I'm hoping to have a lot of them in the next 4 weeks, and we can make progress with that. So that's basically it. But this thing, all of the XJR stuff is already here. So because I'm not actually modifying the bike in any way. It's all I'm literally doing is just stripping it, painting it, putting it back together. So I will be making plenty of videos as we go, and we'll do a couple of trips up to see Mr. Conlon, because he'll be doing the painting, and there's a couple of other lads as well, which I'm going to get to do bits on it. But it's literally just it's a minimal strip down rebuild. So anyway, guys, that's the plan. That's my big, long-winded discussion. So now that you're sick and tired of listening to me, I'm going to feck off and leave you alone. Okay? See you later, guys. Bye-bye.